Here's an update on the winter storm in the northern Rockies and northern plains and the severe weather outbreak that's going to ensue here across the plain states. We've got the blizzard going on full force in northern Montana, here northern North Dakota, and we have this cold front and this low pressure just over Denver, Colorado. It's strengthening and it's going to move northeast, and it's going to bring this cold front out into the plains and spread a swath of severe weather. Out west here we have some snow and some higher elevations in Oregon and California, but we also have tranquil conditions east here. We have an overrunning precipitation in New York and Pennsylvania with this stationary front that's going to push 60s and lower 70s into the northeast for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday for most areas across the east coast here. So much warmer temperatures ahead here in the southern states. We're waiting on that developing severe weather outbreak that will occur later today and really into the day tomorrow as well. Snowfall totals across the northern Rockies here have been anywhere from 5 to as much as 25 inches of snow with 50 to 60 mile per hour winds. This is Brutus, the second named winter storm of the season. So let's take a look at precipitation amounts. We have heavy precipitation across the Mississippi Valley here with this severe weather outbreak, in excess of 2 inches likely from just about Missouri down to Little Rock and extending down towards Shreveport. So we have the northwest here. We'll have another system moving in. This is where we'll get into about a quarter, half an inch with locally higher amounts upwards of 1 to 2 inches just west of Seattle. And the northeast, we got that overrunning precip about a tenth to a quarter of an inch. In South Florida, looks fairly decent down and through here. So let's take a look at the weather hazards. This is my weather hazard outlook. We have this developing severe weather outbreak, strong to severe storms, strong storms in the yellow, severe storms in the red for today as well into Sunday. We got this heavy snow across the northern plains where we'll get upwards of an additional foot of snow, likely up to 16 inches of snow in northern North Dakota here and into southern Alberta, Canada here. So be prepared for that. So that's pretty much it for now. A warming trend in the east, a cooling trend and stormier trend in the west. I'm meteorologist Mark Molnar. Don't forget to like me on Facebook and subscribe to my weather feed. We're MeteoMark. Like us on Facebook. Website is MeteoMark.com. Here's a 4-day forecast for my hometown viewers from Binghamton to Elmira and all points in between.